Okay, so today I don't exactly know where this design is going to end up, but I just wanted to do a really cute, bright, and colorful soap with some embeds. So I have a mixture of some butterflies in here, stars, and unicorns. I think the unicorns are at the bottom. And then I also have this heart embed, which I'm going to start off with first. So I do need to cut it a little bit because this is a little longer than the mold. So I'm gonna do more. Okay, so we have that down, and since most of the soap is going to be clear because I want you to be able to see the embeds, I'm actually going to do this first layer with the heart with a white soap base. So this is a triple soap base. It's goat milk, shea butter, and mango butter. So let me heat this up, and then the fragrance oil I'm going to be using is Daisy Chain from Brambleberry, which I love, and it smells like Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume. So let me heat this up and I will be back. So I actually think I'm going to color this yellow. So I'm going to use this lemon soap coloring. And get a nice pretty pastel yellow. And I still have a couple chunks in there that need to dissolve. I'm going to add my fragrance oil. So I'm going to add about 9 mLs. Maybe like 8. But because I don't want this soap to melt the heart embed, I need to wait until it's about 130 to 140 degrees. So let me get my thermometer. Okay, oh, we're at 140, 136, okay, almost there. 35, all right, let's go for it. And I want this to cover the embed, so I hope that I have enough. Shoot, that's really close. I think I might have to make a little bit more white soap because it's not quite covering the heart embed. Did this to harden some because then I'm going to start placing the embeds on top. So I'm going to wait a few minutes and I'll be back. Alright, I actually started placing them because I'm like, maybe I can have some like half into the yellow as well. So I'm just going to kind of place them randomly, but I want to make sure that I kind of fill up all the space so that when you cut it, you can make sure that you're getting a clear view of an embed in each soap, if that made sense. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that like that and let it harden completely, and then I'm going to heat up my clear melt and pour soap. Real quick, I'm also going to add some of these star sprinkles. Okay, so I have my clear soap melted, and I'm going to add my fragrance oil. And you want to make sure you use a fragrance oil that isn't like a dark color or one that can discolor it, because we want to keep this as clear as possible. And I know adding fragrance oil is going to make it a little cloudy, but I mean, we need some fragrance oil, you know? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the current embeds with a layer, wait for that to thicken up some, add the rest of the embeds, and then add the rest of the soap. Alright, 135, I'm good with that. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there. Spray it with 99% alcohol. Okay, and we're going to let that thicken up, maybe even harden. Yeah, I think I'm going to let that harden completely. So I'm going to do that, and then I will come back. Okay, it's not completely hard yet, but it's hard enough to where it's not going to dip down into the previous layer. So I'm just going to keep adding the embeds. It's not enough. All right. Let me make a little bit more then. Okay, we are going to unmold this and cut it. So let's see how this turned out. Okay, here is what it looks like. I cut myself trying to fix the wires on this earlier. Hopefully it's gonna work. Oh, that's super cute. Hopefully they all came out like that. That's cute. I don't know what happened there. Is it not completely hardened? So what I will do now actually is I run this under hot water, and that's gonna get any of this residue off, and it's also gonna make your clear soap really clear and then your other colors really vibrant. Let me show you real quick. So now I will just wipe the edges with a paper towel and then wait for that to dry and then package it. You can see what a difference that makes in how the soap looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time.